Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. It's me Rifat from lifeforchoice.com. In today's video, I am going to share how to manifest beautiful, clear skin, acne-free skin. I have washed my face and there is nothing on my skin. You can see there is nothing on my skin and I just washed it. My first tip to manifest beautiful clear skin is to focus on the solution, not to focus on the acne, because here acne is you do not like it, and the solution is clear, beautiful, glowing skin. So first tip is stop focusing on acne. So it is okay to have a human moment. It is okay not to like your skin. Just acknowledge those thoughts and let them pass. They will go and come back to the present moment. To manifest clear, beautiful, acne-free skin is affirm. You can affirm in the form of statement, or you can affirm in the form of question form. For example, when you see yourself in the mirror, you can say, wow, I have a beautiful clear skin. Or if your mind in the beginning is not ready to accept, you can say, why I have such a beautiful skin, why I have such a clear and beautiful skin, why I have such a clear skin. So in this way your mind does not argue. I explain in more detail in one of the previous video I did about ask formation and affirmation in more detail, how our brain react with the questions. So you can go and check the video if you want to know more detail when you affirm in the form of questions. So you can say that, you can say, isn't it wonderful, I have a clear beautiful skin, isn't it wonderful? So it is still is like a question form, and your mind will not argue with you, and slowly you will start believing, yes, I have a beautiful skin. And here I will say, you believe it or not, you just keep saying it. When you keep saying, keep repeating, then it harden into fact. Just like Neville Goddard said in many of his books, that assumption, constant persistent assumption, they harden into fact. So persist until it harden into fact. And another way to have or manifest a beautiful clear skin is to visualize. And how to visualize? Simply just close your eyes and imagine yourself going in front of the mirror and see yourself with the clear skin you want, glowing skin you want, and tell yourself in your imagination, wow, you have a beautiful skin. When you see your face in the mirror, you are doing this in imagination. Even some people like to touch their skin, that touch your skin and appreciate, wow, I have a beautiful skin. This is you can do in the mirror, in your bedroom, or go in the bathroom. You can go and wash your face and then see yourself in the mirror and appreciate, wow, I have a beautiful glowing skin. You are doing this in imagination. So this is a visualization part. You can do once or twice, 2 times in a day. You can do when you have a time. All you have to do just to visualize 1 or 2 minutes. You have nothing to lose. And another powerful way to manifest a beautiful skin is hear someone telling you, your friend or your family, your colleague or your close friend you always discuss different things with, they are telling you, wow, you have such a beautiful skin. What you are doing nowadays? Are you doing anything special with your skin? Your skin looks so beautiful, clear and nice. What you are doing nowadays? So again, you can imagine this scene, a little scene you can make and visualize again and again when you have a free time, and especially when you start thinking about your acne or about the problem, bring the scene into your imagination and play around with it. And you don't have to do all day, just 1 or 2 minutes. When you have a time, you can do it and go about with your life. Another powerful way to manifest beautiful skin is self-hypnosis, and that is my own edited version of the technique which I have read I believe there is a book called Conscious Creation by John Caronde. So in this technique, what you have to do when you go for the shower, then the acne on your face, however acne, how much acne you have, you give a color to the acne. For example, you give a blue color or red color or a pink, green color. You give like you have a pimples on your face, you give a color to the acne. And then you stand under the shower and imagine the water is passing through your face and taking the color away. The color is basically your acne, and this color is going away. In the beginning, color will be dark. For example, if let's use blue color, the blue color will be darker, and slowly the blue color is going lighter and lighter and lighter. So eventually there is no color, and clean water is passing through your face. So basically what is happening in this technique, like we taking our brain into the theta state of mind. When you go in a shower, you are relaxed state of mind, you enjoying and having a shower, and water has a capacity anyway to relax your body. So at this time, when you imagine the water is taking away your even you can use this with a certain type of paints. You can give a color to the paint, and then imagine the water is taking the pain away. Water is taking the pain away. And in the same way you can do this, water is taking the acne away. And if you are someone who has already used all the previous techniques, so must use just only my self-hypnosis technique. Is really powerful. I have used personally, I have given to many of my clients, and it create really amazing result. And if you get value out of this video, please share this video, press like and subscribe my channel so other people can get benefit out of this as well. And I would love to hear your comments, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.